Hello, welcome to the Prosperity for Posterity YouTube channel. My name is Omomi Olajide. Thank you for joining me today. This is one of the videos in the series of my FAQs regarding the Untamed business and products. So this particular video is covering question regarding how do I enroll. So I'm going to be using my referral link to get you to where you're going to enroll. However, if your sponsor actually led you to this video, you need to go back to them to get their referral link. This is my personal referral link. If you use this referral link, you're going to enroll under me. However, if somebody else referred you, then you need to get their referral link. Okay? Now that we've cleared that, so let me share my screen with you, and I will use my referral link for you to see the experience. So that is my referral link posted in the address, and this is how it goes. Once the page loads, you're going to go straight to the enrollment options that you have. So here it is. Once this page loads, all you need to do is go to menu and say community, and you say join our community, and you can scroll down to pick your kit. Now you can either do affiliate kit or associate kit. I spent more time in explaining all of this in the long video, but since I believe you're already familiar with that, you just want to brush up on the steps, the summarized steps. You just pick your kit. For example, we'll do the affiliate link. The associate kit. And here, all you need to do is select your perfume, the fragrance you will like, and then go on and do your foundation choice. And go on. The rest of the other things are standard with all the kits. All you need to do is add to cart. Add to cart. And right there, you have all of this already listed. Let me see. Okay, it's added to cart. I think I have to go there. Oh, I think, let's see. Yeah, you cannot add more than. Oof. All right, so this might happen if you've been here before and you had more than one. So I can close this out. All right, so we have a fresh option now. So I'm going to go over that again. And good thing it wouldn't let you add more than one because you only need one. All right, and then go down and say add to cart. Once you've added to cart, if you've seen the other video, you're going to see the difference. I explained this earlier, and that is the sponsor referral code. And that is what you have here. This is my referral code. Like I said, if somebody else referred you, you need to reach out to them to get their referral code. However, if your personal search or I referred you to this video or your personal search got you here, then you can go ahead and use my referral code. Basically, use my link and the referral code will automatically be listed. So this is where you have that. Make sure that is not blank so that your sponsor will get the credit, and enter your personal information, your address in Nigeria, and then you go ahead and place your order. Of course, you do all the I have read and agree and all of that to the terms and condition, and voila, your product will be on the way to you. So that is how to, within a few minutes, that is how to enroll in the Untamed community. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if you have any question in the comments, or you can reach out to me. I'm going to put, you should have those information in the description of this video. Please reach out if you have any further questions that you would love me to cover. Please, I'll, be free to reach out. All right. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Remember, your choices today affect generations to come. Choose to be good. God bless you.